Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video we are going to see about how to create a dictionary in a different ways. Okay, so far I discussed about the different ways to create an list, tuple and set. Okay, this video we are going to see about there are different ways to create a dictionary. So we have discussed about the ways in this video. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. Okay, there are three ways to create an dictionary. Okay, one is the creating an empty dictionary, and after that we have to add the key value pairs. Then the next one is we are creating a dictionary with dict function. This is the functions used to create an dictionary. Then the third one is create a dictionary with the curly braces including the key value pairs. The first case, first we have created the empty dictionary and after that we have added the key value pairs. But in this case we have created the key value pairs along with the curly braces. Okay friends, let's see the ways one by one. Let's move on to the video. The first one is creating an empty dictionary and adding a key value pairs. Okay, first we have to create an empty dictionary and after that we have to add the key value pairs one by one. Okay, let's see an example. First I am creating the dictionary 1 empty dictionary. This is an empty dictionary. Then I want to print. See, this is an empty dictionary and I want to add the elements inside the dictionary one by one. So dictionary 1 of, this is a key. Okay, key A equal to 10. Then dictionary 1 equal to 20. This is the key value and this is the value. 20 is the value and B is the key value. Key, okay. So dictionary 1 C equal to 30. Okay. So now I want to print the dictionary along with the key value pair. See, we got all the key value pairs inside the dictionary. So what we have done, initially have created an empty dictionary and after that we have added the key value pairs one by one and finally we have print the result, that means the final dictionary output. So this is a one way. Let's see another one. Creating a dictionary with dict function. Dict function is used to create a dictionary. Okay, so I am going to create a dictionary by using a dict function. So dict 1 is equal to dict function of, I am going to create the same dictionary by using dict function. So key A comma is the value. The value is an integer type, so no need to give the double quotes. Then comma B. String should be enclosed within the quotes, but for the integer type no need to give the quotes. 20. The next one C 30. Okay, list, sorry, so print of dictionary 1. See, we got the same output as the previous one. So we have created the dictionary, the another format. The above cases we have created the dictionary in the above format, and this cases we have created by using the dict function. The both cases we got a same output. Okay, the next one, create a dictionary with curly braces including key value pairs. Okay, at the time we have included the key value pairs inside the curly braces. Dictionary 1 is equal to then P value 20, then key C, the value of C is 30. Okay, so these cases I have created, I have given the key and value pairs inside the curly braces. Okay, initially I have taken the empty curly braces, after that I have added the values one by key value pairs one by one. But these cases I didn't do the two things. I have done the single thing, that is have created the key value pairs inside the curly braces. Okay, now I want to print the dictionary 1. See, we got the same output by using this method also. Okay, these are all the methods, different ways to create a dictionary. You can create a dictionary by using any one of the method as you want. Okay, that's it today, friends. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends.